Mga kaibigan, once again, good morning. That's I would like to ask to all of you, especially Kuya Jimmy, Kuya Jimboy, Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustilio Boco at RTC 11 in Family Court. Condolence. So, mga kaibigan, namamatay po ang kanyang papa, no? Condolence to Kuya Piljan, which is the elder brother of Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustilio Boco. Mga kaibigan, bagong-bago lang ho mamatayan hong pamilya namin. Ngayon naman ay namamatay naman ho yung papa ni Judge, no? So, tanggap naman natin na mawawalan ho tayo ng pamilya as soon as possible, because the only God, the owner of this life, mga kaibigan. Yan po ay nakasulat sa balaang kasulatan, which is the Bible itself, or the life, mga kaibigan. Yan po, pero just to be hurt, because bago lang ho nawalan ho ng membro ng pamilya. It's almost 2 months pa lang ho. My biyanan was passed away also. Yung biyanan ko po na babae. And now, after how many months? 2 months lang. Papa naman po ni Kuya. So, that's only a God. Because this life is a privilege by the Almighty Father who art in heaven, who are created us, no, mga kaibigan. Kaya manalangin ho tayo ng palagi, mga kaibigan. And be careful that we are seeing about everything bad in our life. Because our lips is considered a magnet to the universe. All the things we can see about that, bad or good, it is already having a magnets, or the magnets of the physical universe. Everything you can see, mga kaibigan, the bad things about your life, about us. So, just be guard our life, mga kaibigan, in order for us to understand the things why we are created by God. So, that's why all the things we are here in this universe is under control of the one, no other than from the heaven is our Father who art in heaven. So that's why there is a lot of things to be fixed here, to be understand, and there is a lot of trials to come in our life, just to look at, to find us very good solutions about that. And be careful also that our mouth is a portal of everything that we are going to see about us, that we are walking into the lab of realities, and then you have a fear of justice and reality about us. So that's why be careful, because our mouths and our lips are already having a good and a big responsibilities of this universe. Our lips is a magnet to the physical universe, and the portal, our mouth, to the physical universe, that all that we can see about us, and that is already having a frequency. So, just to mind you, these things was created the powerful among all powerful, no other than is our Almighty Father who art in heaven. Just be careful of what we are going to see.